Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Apple ID from your iPhone device without Apple ID password. So if you want to remove Apple ID from your iPhone device without Apple ID password, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can remove your Apple ID from your iPhone device without Apple ID password after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here you will need to open settings on your iPhone device. So after that, here you will have to scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on software update. And first of all, here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 or later. So after that, here you'll have to close this tab, then again open settings, then tap on your Apple ID profile. So after that, here you will have to scroll down and tap on sign out. So here you can see that when I try to sign out my Apple ID from my iPhone device, it's asking me for the Apple ID password. So how you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device without entering Apple ID password? So here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So when you update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18, then here you will find password app on your iPhone home screen. So here let's open this, enter your Face ID or passcode. So after that, here you can see there is the option of all, tap on this, and here you can see that here is the Apple ID which I have currently signed in on this iPhone device. So if you want to sign up to Apple ID from your iPhone device without password, then here you'll have to tap on here. Then after that, you will view your Apple ID password from here. Then here you'll have to copy this. Then after that, open again settings on your iPhone device. Then here tap on Apple ID profile. After that, here scroll up, then tap on sign out. Then here you will have to paste here your Apple ID password. Then after that, you will be able to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device if you have forgotten your Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.